The ART SpiderJack 3 is a revolutionary multifunctional mechanical friction device for use in dynamic doubled rope climbing systems. The SpiderJack 3 uses a unique and innovative camming action to deliver highly efficient and unparalleled user control of friction in the system during both ascent and descent.
Heads up!
Use of the SpiderJack 3 is simple and intuitive. As a friction hitch replacement when using doubled rope technique, the device offers climbers a wide suite of performance functions and advantages. To climb with the device, install your climbing rope in the usual manner. Attach the eye splice to the top carabiner and connect the lower carabiner to the bridge of your harness. The SpiderJack 3's self-tending function makes ascent easy and smooth, and the device will lock instantly under load with no sit back or creep. To work position or descend, use the release handle to open the cam and the unique Pockwood thumb brake for smooth and exact friction control.
The body of the new SpiderJack sits within an external frame. This keeps the running part of the rope adjacent to the climber, facilitating easy hand-over-hand ascent. The self-tending function of the SpiderJack 3 is an improvement even on its predecessor. This makes coming in off a branch smooth and easy, even with no rope weight below the device.
The alignment of the SpiderJack 3 allows for ergonomic use with either hand.
The wooden brake on the new device requires significantly less thumb pressure to control your descent.
The SpiderJack 3 is sold with a novel and unique locking function. To install the locking function, simply depress the spring button on the side of the device and move the handle into the fully up position. The device is now locked. To retrieve the locking function, depress the spring button, return the handle to the normal position, and you're ready to go. This function is excellent for working at the top of a tall tree. In its normal configuration, the SpiderJack's hunger for slack is so strong that whenever you move, the device slides up the rope and takes care of the slack for you. Normally that's excellent, but if we were working in this area, we might prefer to install the locking function and be able to move around, keeping the same amount of slack in the system. Another neat trick with the locking function of the SpiderJack 3 is when retrieving your system after using a ponytail redirect. I've lanyarded it in, making sure to capture the tail, check I'm loaded, and disconnect the SpiderJack. Simply install the locking function and I'm ready to retrieve my ponytail redirect. Pull that back down, remove the locking function, reattach to my bridge, give that a good load test, and I'm ready to go. The locking function of the SpiderJack can also be very useful when moving from tree to tree. In this situation, I can pull a bit of slack into the system, install the locking function, and that gives me the play to move around without being pulled back towards my original high point.
The device incorporates an integrated fairlead pulley, allowing climbers to move with the same ease and fluidity even when the tail of the rope is deflected above or away from them.
Having the pulley incorporated on the device allows for smooth friction control even when the tail is deflected above.
The SpiderJack 3 is sold with an integrated swivel. This allows users to attach the lower carabiner directly to the bridge of their harness. Consequently, the SpiderJack is closer and tighter to your body. This allows for longer and more ergonomic hand movements when climbing.
Ascent through free space using the SpiderJack 3 is a smooth and ergonomic process. By alternating arm pulls with the foot-locking technique, the climber makes use of the 2-to-1 mechanical advantage offered by the running doubled rope system in conjunction with a low friction high point such as the rope guide, in order to make fluid, effortless ascents with no need to attach or install additional hardware.
Proper use of the wooden brake is critical for SpiderJack users. You want to fully open the cam by fully depressing the black lever and then control your descent just with the wooden brake.
The SpiderJack is the only tree climbing device to use a secondary braking function to attenuate friction during descent. This gives users a unique and unparalleled degree of control over their movement throughout the canopy, as well as enabling fast and accurate long-range jumps and descents. The SpiderJack 3 features include an all-new worm drive to allow micro-adjustment of the position and feel of the wooden thumb brake, a robust stainless steel friction pin to reduce wear on the body of the device, and a choice of 2 cams accepting rope diameters between 11 and 12 mm and 12 and 14 mm. As with all ART products, all of the wearable parts are independently replaceable. SpiderJack 3, the latest addition to the ART range of innovative tree climbing tools. ART, for the art of tree climbing.